Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of Python programming. Today, we're diving deep into the concept of classes in Python. Imagine Python classes as classrooms, each with its own unique set of students and activities. In Python, a class is like a teacher, guiding its students, objects, and instructing them on how to behave. Think of a class as a blueprint, defining both the structure and behavior of objects. With classes, you can create multiple instances, each with its own characteristics and abilities. These properties, known as attributes, define the state of an object. Meanwhile, behaviors, or methods, define the actions an object can perform. But how do we define a class in Python? Using the class keyword, followed by the class name and a set of attributes and methods, we can define our blueprint. For example, let's create a circle class to represent circles in a drawing application. Each circle object will have its own radius and the ability to calculate its area. Now that we have our blueprint, how do we create objects from it? We use a process called instantiation, creating concrete instances from our class. Each instance can have different properties, such as radius, and perform actions, such as calculating its area. Through dot notation, we can access and modify the attributes and methods of our objects. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Python follows naming conventions to distinguish between public and non-public members. Public members are accessible from outside the class, while non-public members should be used internally. Name mangling adds an extra layer of protection, preventing accidental access to non-public members. In summary, classes in Python provide a powerful way to model real-world objects and abstract complex concepts. They promote code reuse, encapsulation, and abstraction, making your code more organized and maintainable. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Python classes. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in programming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave questions in the comments.